Hello my wonderful students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see class 5 max chapter number 6, the dairy farm, part 2 video. Okay, part 1 video is already completed. If you missed to watch the video, then only you will understand these pages and the multiplication concept. Okay, and students, I have started taking tuition for class 3, 4 and 5. If you are interested in joining the class, this is the timetable for the tuition, and this is an online Google Meet. So I'll be providing daily classes, worksheets for your exam, question paper for your exam, revision test will be there weekly, so that you can be able to get good marks. Okay, so monthly fees is 600. So message 74186 19174. You can message me asking I need tuition, or if you need only worksheet for your exam practice, then it is monthly 119. I'll be sending all the worksheets for your exam practice. Now we will go into the part 2 video. So these pages are already covered in part 1 video, so directly we will go to part 2. So half and doubling. Okay, so this one is doubling and half, or half and doubling. First we will find out what is half. A number which is divided by 2 is called as half. For example, if you have 10, that divided by 2, which is 5, is called as half. So, and doubling is multiplying by 2. For example, if you have 5, you multiply by 2, you will get 10. Okay, so that is doubling and this is half. So doubling and half. So now we will see. Butter packets are arranged in the following way. So let us find some strategy how to calculate the following, or how to calculate the total number of packets. Okay, so here the butter packets, it's arranged. Discuss why these are same. Okay, so what happened, how many rows and how many columns we have? We have 3 rows, 1 2 3 rows are there, and how many columns we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So totally we have 18 columns, so that's why they have put 3 into 18. So 3 into 18 is 54. 3 18s are 54. So what they have done, they have divided this into 2 equal parts, and what they have done, they have doubled the number 3, which is they doubled the column. So column they have doubled and they put 6, and 18 they have taken half, which is 54. So again, if you multiply these two, you are going to get the same answer, 54. So 18 into 3 is also 54. 6 into 9 is also 54. Okay, again they have given another sum here. So here we have 22 and into 5. So 22 into 5. So first what we are going to do, we are going to take this 22. So what is half of 22? So half of 22 is 11. So half of 22 is 11, and double 5. So 5, if you put double 5, so 5 into 2 you will get 10. So if you multiply these two, 5 2s are 10, 0 balance 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 110. Again here 0, 1 into 11 is 11. So 110. So both you are going to get the same answer. There is no difference, students. Okay. So next, solve the following problem like the previous one. So you have 14. So half of 14 is 7. And 3, double of 3 is 6. 3 2s are 6. So likewise here you have half of 38. So half of 38 is 19. So first we will finish the answer here. So what is 14 into 3? So 4 3s are 12. 2 balance 1. 3 1s are 3, 42. And what is 7 into 6, students? What is 7 6 are? 7 into 6 is also 42. So you're getting the same answer. So 7 into 6 also 42. Okay. Likewise here 38 half into if you divide 38 by 2 you will get 19, and 5 into 10, 5 into 2 is 10. So 38 into 5 is 190. 19 into 10 is also 190. Same answer. So next we are going to do here. So first I'm going to half. So 16 half is 8, and I'm going to double. So 4 plus 4 is again 8. So first we will do 16. 16 fours are 64. Again 8 eights are 64. Okay. So next I'm going to double. I'm going to change this one. Okay. So double. So if I double 35, 35 plus 35 is 70. And half of 14 is 7. Okay. 70 into 7 is 490. And here 5 fours are 20. And so balance 490. Okay. This is also 490. Okay. Alright, students. So these kind of questions are exam important question. So we will go to the next page. This half and doubling strategy works well when we have to multiply with numbers like 525. Discuss why. Because when we multiply these numbers, we will get easily the next number. For example, 5 plus 5 10. And likewise 25, if you double 25, 25 plus 25, 25 into 20, I'm sorry, 25 plus 25, you'll get 50. So these kind of numbers, it will be easy for you to multiply. That's the reason they are telling it is easy to calculate for doubling also, and also half. If you divide, it will be easy. Both the ways it's going to be easy. Okay. So next what they have given some problems. So I'm going to copy this and I'll do it in an empty paper. I'm not going to do everything. Let's do only few. Okay. So I'll do one by one. First one, 5 into 18. So 5 into 18, 5 into 18. 5 eights are 40, 0 balance. 1. 1 minute, student, sorry. 5 eights are 40, 0 balance 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 40, sorry. Oh my god, I'm doing some mistake here. One minute. One minute, students. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do this. So 5 eights are 40, 0 balance 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, so you're getting 90 here. So let it be. So first I'm going to double the 5. So I'm going to put D for double and H for half. So if I double, what I'm going to do is 5 plus 5, I'm going to 10, and half of 18 is 9. So 10 into 9, again I'm going to get 90. Okay, this is the first sum. Okay, so next we have the second sum. We have 50 into 28. So we have 50 into 28. First we will multiply this. So 50 into 28. 8 zeros are 0. 5 eights are 40. 2 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. So 0, 0, 4, 1400. So 1400. So again what I'm going to do is I'm going to double and I'm going to half. So first I'm going to double this. So if I double 50, 50 plus 50 is 100, and if I double 28, so I'm sorry, if I half 28, half of 2 is 1 and half of 8 is 4. So again 2 zeros, 14 ones are 14. So we are getting the same number here. So likewise for all the thing, let's do one more. I'm going to do sixth sum, or I'll do third sum, 15 into 22. So 15 into 22. So 15 into 22 is 330. What I'm going to do, I'm going to double and I'm going to half again. So double of 15 is 30, half of 22 is 11. So 30 into 11 is 330. Again same. Okay, so we'll see the next one. So next is nearest multiply. So it is going to be the nearest multiply. So if you look at the picture, few butter packets are left out. Observe the picture and find why we need to subtract 4. Okay. So here 4 into 19. So how many boxes are there? First we will see. So first we will see how many columns are there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Columns 4, and how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have only 19, but what we are going to do is we are going to do it with 20, and then we are going to minus by 4. So it will be very easy when we are rounding up a number. For example, 4 into 19, which is also equal to 4 into 20 minus this 4. Okay, for example, number 8 and 10 minus 2 is also same. These two are same. So again 99, which is also equal to 100 minus 1. Okay, so we are rounding up to nearest 10. So for example, so here what they have done, so they are rounding up. So they didn't put 14 in 4 into 9. They have put 4 into 20, which is 80. 80 minus 4 is 76. Okay, likewise what they have done, this is 14 into 21, but what they have done, they have put 14 into 20 plus 14. They have added this. So 14 into 20 is 280 plus 14 is 294. Okay. So give 5 example of the problems where you can use nearest multiply to find product easily. Find the product as well. So now what we have to do, they are asking to find nearest, give 5 or 6 examples. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you few examples. This one, I'll take an empty paper again. Okay, first example. Okay, I'll do few sums for you. So first one, 5 into 31. So I'll do 5 into 31. So what I can do is I'll take the nearest tens for 31. I'll take 30. So I'm going to add 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 5 into 30 is 150. So 150 plus 5, which is 155. So 5 into 31 is also 155. So second, I will do it by subtraction. Okay. So 7 into 29. So I'll take the nearest number as 30. So 7 into 30 minus 7. Okay, 7 into 30 is 210 minus 7, which is 203. So 7 into 29 is also 203. Okay, like this we can able to do many sums, students. I'll do one more also. um, 808 into 101. So what we can do, we can do 8 into 100 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, so 8 into 8 is 800. 800 plus 8 is 808. So 8 into 101 is also 808. Okay, so next, find the products of the following by the nearest. Now we need to find the product of the nearest. We will do one by one, students. First we will do 7 into 52. So the nearest is 50. So first one. So what I am going to do is 7 into 50 plus 7 into 2, because here we have 50, here we have 2, which is 52. So I am multiplying 7 into 2. Okay, so 7 into 50 is 350 plus 7 twos are 14. Okay, so 350 plus 14 is 364. Okay, so next you have 12 into 28. So 12 into 28, what you can do is you can put nearest 10, which is 30. Again 12 into 30 minus 12 into 2. Okay, so 12 into 30 is 360 minus 12 twos are 24. So 360 minus 24. 6, 3. Okay, so 336. Okay, next you have 75 into 31. So 75 into 31, we have to round it to 30 and we need to add 1. So third one, what you can do is 75 into 30 plus 75. Now 75 into 30 is 2250 plus 75, which is 2325. Okay, so balance sum you can able to do it, students, very easy. It's not going to be difficult. You can do it very easily. I'll do one more also. Fifth sum I'll do. So 8 into 25. So 8 into 25, you can round the number 8 to 10. So 10 into 25. So minus 2 into 25. Okay, so 10 into 25 is 250 minus 2 into 25 is 50. So 250 minus 50 is 200. Okay, very easy. Next, let us solve. Use the strategy flexibly to answer the following question. Discuss your thought in class. Okay, now we have problems. So these type of questions is very important for your exam, students. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give answers in detail for one by one all questions. If you want, you can pause the video and you can take the answer. Okay, I'm going to give the answers in statement. Okay, I'm not going to write it. I'll show you in statement. Okay, the first question. A school has a first question. A school has an auditorium of 35 rows and 42 seats in each. So how many people can sit in this auditorium? So solution, you have to write in statement like this, okay? That's why I didn't write it, I'm just typing and showing you, okay? So number of row is 35, and with seat each column, so number of rows 35, the number of seat in each row is 42. So what they have done, again they have done 35 into 42. How they are going to multiply? They are going to round by nearest 40. So 35 into 40 plus 35, and the two rows they are going to add it here. So now you can able to calculate easy. 35 into 40 is 1400. So I'll multiply here and show you. 35. Is it visible? No, it is not visible. Okay, I'll write it here. So 35. So multiplication is very very important, students, okay? So 0 into 5 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0, 5 fours are 20, 0 balance 4, 4 threes are 12, 13, 14. Okay, the place values and the multiplication is very very important. Okay, 1400, 35 into 2 is 70, so 1400 plus 70 is 1470. So thus 1470 people can sit in this auditorium. Okay, like this only you need to frame the answer. Okay, next question. So next question. Priya jogs 4 kilometer every day. How many kilometers she will jog in 31 days? Okay. Again 4 into 31. We are not going to do 4 into 31. What we are going to do is we are going to multiply 4 into 30. We are going to round it up and plus 4 kilometers. Okay. I'll show you the statement how to write it. Okay, like this you have frame a sentence. So Priya jogs every day 4 kilometers. The number of kilometers she will jog in a day is 31 kilometers. So what they have done, 4 into 31, as I stated, what they did, 4 into 30 plus 4. So 4 into 30 is 120 plus 4 is 124 kilometers. So you have to complete the sentence like this. Thus Priya will jog 124 kilometers in 31 days. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. A school has received 36 boxes of a book with 48 books in each row. So how many total books did the book school received in the box? Solution. So again, number of books in each box is 48. The number of box received by the school is 36. So what we have to do, we have to round the number 48 now. So 36 into 48, what I have done, so 36 into 50. So I have rounded this 48 to 50, and I'm going to subtract this minus 36 into 2. 2 times I have to subtract, because 48 plus 2 only I'll get 50. Okay, so now 36 into 50. So again 36 into 50, 0, 0, 6 5s are 30, 0 balance 3, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. So the value you should put tens and hundreds and thousands places correctly. Okay, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Okay, so now 1800. So 1800 minus 36 into 2 is 72. So 1800 minus 72 is 1728 books. Thus the school received 1728 books in all. Okay, next. Okay, so next question, very simple. So Priya uses 16 meters of cloths to make 4 kurtas. How much cloth she used to need to make 8 kurtas? So 8 kurtas, how many cloths or how many clothes would require? So clothes to make 4 kurtas. 4 kurtas 16 meters. So 1 kurta 4 meters, 2 kurtas again 4 meter, 3 kurtas 4 meter, 4 kurtas again 4 meter. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 6 times, 4 into 4 times you will get 16 meters. Since the cloth is used in one kurta, so what you have to do, 4 meters is required. So length of the cloth of 4 kurta is 4 into 8, which can also be written as 4 into 10 minus 4 into 2. So which is 4 tens are 40, 4 twos are 8. 40 minus 8 is 32. Thus Priya needs 32 meter of cloth to make 8 kurtas. Okay, again you have to frame the sentence like this, students, then only you will get mark. Again and again I'm telling, okay. Okay, next question. Gopalpa, Golappa. So Golappa has 29 cows on his farm. Each cows produce 5 liters of milk every day. So how many liters of milk do the cow produce on each day? So 29 cows on his farm. Each cow produce 5 liter milk per day. How many liters of milk do the cow produce in total each day? Okay, easily you can able to find out again. Golappa farm, how many cows are there? Right, 29 cows. Milk produced by each cow 5 liters you can write. Now total quantity what you can do, you can round this 29 to 30. So 5 into 29, which is also equal to 5 into 30 minus 5. So 5 into 30 is 150. 1 minute, students, I'm getting cough, I'm sorry. So 5 into 30 is 150. 150 minus 5 is 145 liters. So thus 145 liters of milk is produced each day. Okay, next. Okay, next sixth question. Sixth question is Maska cow farm has 297 cows. Each cow requires 18 kg of fodder per day. How much total fodder is needed to feed 297 cows each day? Again, easily we are going to round this up. 297, you have to round it for 300. So what you have to do, you have to put 3 times now. So 18 into 297. So 18 into 300 minus 18 into 3. Because for 297 plus 3 is 300. So we are going to minus that. So 18 into 300 is 5400. 18 into 3 is 54. So 5000 minus 400. 5400 minus 54 is 5346 kg. So finally you have to write, thus 5346 kg of fodder will be required for 297 cows every day. Okay, so this one I am not putting as problem and telling you, students, because you have to write these answers in statement. That's why I didn't write answers like this. I didn't write answers like this. If I write the like this, you will not write any statements. That's why I am not writing this. Okay. So next we will see in part 3 video, students. All right. So you all have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe. Bye bye.